Hi, I'm Rosie Selden, CEO of Digital Qube. We've recently launched AI training courses. Why have we launched these courses? AI is growing at a phenomenal rate. Even in the last year, it started exponential growth. So we really want to help everyone learn about the AI tools that are readily available in the market right now that they can start using. So we really wanted to launch this course to share with all the departments across the government and private companies how people can start using AI straight away and double their productivity.
During our AI and automation course, we go further than just ChatGPT. We learn you how you can actually build automations within your business, and not only automations, but also AI agents that act on their own and that act independently doing tasks for you.
During the AI automation course, we will not only cover fun tools, but also a bit of theory. How does AI work? How can you actually apply it into your business? And not just ChatGPT, but how do AI automations work? How do AI agents work? That's what we all will cover during the course and what you will learn to actually be able to implement practical AI into your business.
We invite everyone, whether you're working in government or a private company, to come and join our course.